how to fix internet not working in some apps. So if you're facing a problem of the internet, or if your internet is not working in only few apps, then the first thing you need to check is if you have a stable internet connection or not. Like if you are using a Wi-Fi, then sometimes the Wi-Fi may lag, and you need to use your mobile data. So mobile data is more reliable than Wi-Fi. So you can simply turn on your mobile data and then you can use the application. And even after that, if that still doesn't work, then you can open up your settings, and then you can go for network and internet. And here if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to turn on your aeroplane mode, and then after turning that on, just wait for some seconds, like 10 or 15 seconds. And after waiting, you can simply turn that off again, and now you have to connect to your Wi-Fi. And after connecting, now you can open up the application, and that might fix your problem. Or you can also turn off your Wi-Fi, and after turning that off, you can again turn that on. Or if you're using the mobile data, then you can simply open up that mobile network and you can just turn that off. And after disabling your SIM, now you can again turn that on. And after that, you can simply go back, and even after this, if your problem doesn't fix, then you can open up your Wi-Fi, and now you can go for the Wi-Fi, tap on that, and then you can go for forget, which is on the left side, and simply tap on forget. And after that, you can again tap on your Wi-Fi, and now you can enter your password again. And after entering that, you can again tap on connect, which is on the bottom right. And now after connecting, now that might fix your problem. And even after that, if that still doesn't fix, then you have to restart your phone by simply holding that power button. Now here you will have the restart option on the right side. You can simply tap on restart, and you have to restart your mobile device. And that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.